Meaning of Georgia.
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 Georgia. Georgia is a state located in the southeastern region of the United States. It was named after King George II of Great Britain, who granted the state its charter in 1732. The state is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty. Georgia played a pivotal role in the civil rights movement and has produced many notable historical figures, such as Martin Luther King Jr. and Jimmy Carter. Today, it is home to thriving cities like Atlanta and Savannah, as well as breathtaking landscapes like the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Atlantic coastline.